All right, guys. Today we have two of our high elements going on in our Project Adventure class right now. Um, the one up here is called the catwalk element. It's about 25, 30 feet up, and climbers have to first they have to navigate the tree, climb up, then they have to make their way to the log, and they have to make their way across the log and then back to the middle where they're belayed down by the belayer and the spotter, which are located on the ground. All the students have been trained to use their harnesses. They've been trained, how to secure their helmets on properly, how to safety check each other, and they've also been trained on a set of commands, which are on belay, belay on, ready to climb, climb on, ready to fall, fall on is the last two commands. So that they've up to this point, today's our first day. This is our first day of climbing high elements, and so far, this class is one of my bigger classes. They're a little apprehensive, but they're stepping up and volunteering to go, and they're doing a really good job. The next element that Mr. Gannon is about to try and accomplish here is called the commando rope. And basically what the climbers have to do is they have to navigate their way up the same stretch of tree, okay, using tree staples that are sticking out of the tree. They get themselves to the top where the log is located on the catwalk element, and then they reach out for that black rope, and they just try and, using their hands and feet, get to the middle of the rope where the belayers can safely belay them down. So those are the two elements that we have today. We'll probably take today and tomorrow to get everybody up in some way, shape, or form, whether it be climbing, spotting, or belaying, and then we'll move on to the next set of elements, which will be the high wire and the pamper pole. Each of the elements all have their own, unique challenges, and obviously a high element, for something that all high elements have in common, is their height. So that's a challenge. Some are lower than others, some are higher than others, and then the climbs can vary on different elements also. So as students progress over through Project Adventure, they gain more confidence, they get better and better at climbing the different elements. So that's what we like to see.